In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign on PDFfiller. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your document, and then from here up top, you want to click on the sign button. Now, in here, you can add your signature. You will have a default one already. You can, of course, see I have one as well over here, but you want to click on add signature if it's the first time you're doing this. And then here you have a bunch of different options. You could either type it in, for example, instant how to, which is the name of my channel. There we go. So it's possible to change the style as well in any of those three, for example, and you can go ahead and just place it in like this. Now, of course, if you don't want that, but if you want a custom one, you could go ahead and draw it by clicking draw signature. You can select your color, the thickness of your line, and you can select how you want your line to be, and then you can just go ahead and basically type in your signature, for example, like that, or draw it in, I should say. If you don't like it, you can erase it, do it again, whatever, of course, completely up to you. You could also upload it, so if you have an image of it on your device, for example, you've taken a photo of your signature, you could also achieve this by clicking select from device here, selecting one and using it as your signature. You can capture it with your web camera if you have it. You can add a signature via QR code, so you'll be able to basically scan a QR code, scan it with your mobile device. When you click on here, you will get it. You'll be able to scan it with your phone, and then on your phone, you'll be able to draw the signature with your finger, which most of the time can be much easier. You could add it via text over here, so as you can see, you can receive that. You could add it via email. Again, you could use your finger to actually draw it, or you could do this notarized version over here if you want that as well. So whenever you're happy with the one you selected, for example, this one, you can just type in whatever you want, or of course use it. If you're happy, click on save and sign, and then you'll be able to place it wherever you want. You can resize it, you can edit it, you can do whatever you want with it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.